Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install SBS app on your Android TV without using Play Store. Please, if you find this video helpful, like, subscribe and share. Now on your Android TV, go to the downloader application, and if you don't have one, check the description of this video. You're going to have a link which will help you to download the downloader application app on your Android TV. Here is mine. After downloading it, launch it and type this code 2829970 and click on go. So it would redirect you to this web page where it will automatically download it on your Android TV. So here is it downloading. After downloading, installation button, click on it, and that's all.